Set next color. This button is useful to change selected object color into next color from color palette. Here, we have two objects with different colors. Green object is number 1 from color palette. Just select and press Set Next Color button. This will change green color into blue color, as blue is on number 2 in color palette. Let's see again. Second object is in red color, as palette number is 3. Just select and press Set Next Color button. This will change red color into yellow color, as yellow is on number 4 in color palette.